Hi, as you can see, we've got a dripping tap. I'm going to show you how I actually change it. It's actually easier than what you might think. I'm not actually going to change the whole tap. There's no point. All I need to change is the internal workings of the tap. Sometimes you'll have a tap that has a washer inside it, in which case you open it up, take the washer out, put a new one in, job done, put it all back. This one's actually got a ceramic cartridge in it, and sometimes they do fail, as you can see. First thing I need to do is to turn the tap on and then isolate the water. You turn the tap on so that when you've isolated it, you know you have, because the water stops. Let's turn off the water. Still dripping. There we are. Water is off. On these particular taps, there's, for want of a better word, a button. Once this is removed, it allows access to a screw that holds the top of the tap on. Let's see if we can get it out. It's full of crud. Yep, that's out. Here we are. Let's undo this. Another thing I should point out, it's always a good idea at this stage, put the plug in the sink. That way if you drop anything, you aren't going to lose it. The lid is off. I would suggest the next thing you do, because this is prone to damage, put something in it like a towel. I just happen to have a big towel here. Well, it is a bathroom, I just took one off the hanger. There we go. So if I do drop anything, it doesn't do any damage. We have a little spindle on this tap that comes off. There is the nut I need to undo, but I should be able to open it with a socket. Yep, that's going. Should now be a simple case of unscrewing it. Yep. Now what I need to do is put a new one in. Here we are, pack of 2. From the local DIY superstore. And about 16 quid for the pair. Let's open them up. Right, let's put it in. Exactly the reverse of what happened before. Just gently screw it in. Don't try and force it in, because I do not want to cross thread it. Tighten it up hand tight. That should be fine, but to make sure, teeny turn on this. Yep. Should almost be good to go. I've taken the towel and the plug out of the sink because I'm now going to turn the water back on. I'm sure everything will be fine, but I just want to make sure first, because I don't know which way around the tap is. I don't know if it's on or off. The reason I need to know is that because these are what is known as quarter turn taps, they literally do turn 1/4 of a turn from on to off. If I put it on the wrong way round, it will be different than the one sitting next to it. So therefore, the other one is sitting. The other one is sitting that way. So this one wants to go on that way. No problem. Put that on there. Tighten up its little screw. turn the tap off and hopefully, bingo. I said it was easy. Now all I have to do is put the little cap back in. I have to fight to get out. Sometimes they have a coloured ring to indicate which tap's which, but unfortunately this one's got deteriorated and it's got lost some time ago. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.